that's
all
good.
from freaking sprinting.
No,
I told him at the beginning it was a bad idea.
There is a Starbucks right there, but if you go there, I'm gonna punch you in the throat. I'm just kidding. This is like the ultimate experience if you're coming here to visit, but you're gonna pay for it. Super cool old building. The rooms are small and funky, so if you want like super high-end luxury, this is not the spot, but if you want to be in downtown in a really neat historic building, this is it. Okay.
I mean, really, really inexpensive. They're, inexpensive options for downtown, but yeah, it's probably gonna be really, really noisy. The people that are gonna be rooming next to you are gonna be partying until the wee morning hours.
Okay.
If you're down for that, cool.
Might be a good option. Yeah, I had a client stay here one time and they had to change rooms because their first room was full of mold.
Yeah. I'm kind of established my reputation. That sounded bad. I'm talking about in law enforcement. All right.